Welcome to Finite Math class. I'm gonna have a little overview about this class to give you an idea what you have, the resources, and how to navigate this class. So first, we're gonna go to the home page. And the home page, when you're gonna see your announcement, I'm gonna send you an announcement every week. So this is the one I have already, which is welcome to Finite Math, and you have all the informations here to help you to start with, but I'm kind of gonna record it so it's gonna be easier for you. So this is check your announcements every week. I'm gonna send announcement for expectation for that specific week. So check your announcement every Monday. I'm gonna send you a new announcement. When you go to the syllabus tab, you can see the syllabus is here. You can read your syllabus. Everything, all the information is there. Also, this is the link where you're gonna access the WebEx. This is where we're gonna have tutoring if you need help. Let me know. You can schedule time by email or text. So text me or email me and schedule tutoring, and we can meet. My cell phone is 210-833-7246. And this phone number is my cell phone. You can see it everywhere in my announcements and the syllabus also. Also, important part of your Blackboard is when you go to week 0, make sure you submit your discussion to get attendance for week 0. It's important. Also, when you start progressing through the class, go to every week is the same way. So I'm going to go to week 1. So what you have week 1, you can read the weekly agenda, and also in lecture notes and activities, I'm gonna post notes, formula sheets, recording lectures for that week. So check that out. I'm gonna go in details in a minute. Assignment and assessment is where you have your assignments. So for this class, you have 2 assignments. One is the discussion for that specific week, and the discussion is due by Wednesday every week. You have to post 1 post by Wednesday to get attendance for Thursday, and also you have to reply to 2 classmates by Sunday. So the discussion, you have to have total of 3 posts. The first one is by Wednesday to get attendance for Thursday, and 2 more by Sunday. Also, the Access web assign is where you're going to do your labs. So every week you have 1 lab assignment on web assign. Now you can access web assign when you click here, or when you go to the link at web assign below week 8. Both of those, they're going to take you to the same place, and I'm going to go to web assign in a minute when I finish with Blackboard. Okay? So the web assign has your book, and also the web assign has your assignments for every week. But also you have 1 discussion for each week. Okay? Now going back to week 1. Week 1 also have, that's the same for all of the weeks. You have a weekly additional resources. And the additional resources folder has a lot of videos which are specific for this week. Okay, so you can check your videos in every week. Also, I'm gonna go to week 2 because week 2 is already recorded with everything. When you go to lecture notes and activities, you're gonna see they're gonna be these are the resources you can use to prepare for your assignments, math assignments. It's gonna tell you which chapter to read from the book. So when you access the book through WebAssign, you can read this chapter in the book. Also, I'm providing some formula sheets so every week it's going to have a different if you need formula sheet. This unit 2 are kind of extra problems you can look at, and also there's some PowerPoints included. Now, CourseMate is also a place where you need to kind of register, and this is the WebAssign. Where you can go and access the book and the assignments. Now, for every week, I'm recording my lectures, and I'm gonna post them here in lecture notes and activities. So when you click on this link, there's going to be a recorded lecture, my recorded lecture, where you can see how you do your assignment step by step. I'm solving the same type of assignment like the one you have for that specific week, just different numbers, different version of it. So the beauty of WebAssign is that everybody have different version of the assignments, just different numbers, and you're going to have different answers. The type of questions are the same, but everybody have different answers and different numbers. So that's why I love math, because if you change positive to negative, the answer is going to change. If you change just little number, the answer is going to change. So what you need to learn in this class is how to solve the process of solving the questions. And then you have to do it by yourself, and you have to plug it in the right answer. Okay? So that's what you have for every week, week by week. That's how you're going to progress through the class. Double check all these resources available for you. And now I'm going to show you how to access your actual WebAssign and how to get access to the book. So this is what you're doing. You can click on WebAssign, doesn't matter which link. Usually the one below week 8 is the easiest one to access. And when you click on that, it's going to open your WebAssign. Now, it's going to look a little different. This is my instructor view, so I'm going to go to student view. So you're going to see how exactly it's going to look like. So if you took college algebra with me, probably you're going to have something like this. If you didn't, I'm just going to show you what you're going to see. So you're going to see something like this. So this is your WebAssign link or place where you're going to do your assignments. So these are your assignments: lab 1, lab 2, lab 3, review for the midterm, and then later on you're going to have all the available assignments there. There are going to be more assignments for you to do. And this is your due date here, okay? And also there is a link for your book. So click at my ebook and you have access to the book. Now there's another way to access the book, I'll show in a minute. So this is the first place you can go, click on that, and you're gonna see your book. So I can show you, or I can show you the other way. So if you click here, this is your book. Okay, it's purchased, so you can just click on that. You have access to your book through your Cengage Unlimited account. So you can access the book there. And also I'm gonna go to lab 1. I'm gonna show you, this is the lab 1, this is how it looks like. Now, I'm recommending always when you finish your assignment, go back here and check your little table. If everything is green, if you have green check marks, and this is your grade, then you complete it. If you have a number which is like not green or not, if it's locked out, you have 5 attempts for each lab, 5 attempts. So if you have it wrong, you can submit it again. And if it's red or green, if you have red X or green check mark, that means you've used all your attempts and you cannot change it. But if it's white, if it's like this, that means you can change that answer, and you make sure you go ahead and change that and fix it, okay? Or you didn't submit it yet. So double check here in your top of your assignments, double check this little table. It's important. Now, if you look through your assignments, you have recorded lecture for every week how to do this. This is what you can use. You can, if I click in this area, if you don't understand how to do it, you can practice another version. Practice another version is not gonna affect your grade. It's not gonna count through your 5 attempts. So you can solve this type of problems as many times you want before you understand it. And then after that, you click inside of the answer box, put your answer and submit your answer. Make sure you submit each answer individually so you can save your answer, and it's going to check it for you. So each answer individually have 5 attempts. If it's wrong, you can go to the next one, and that's how you can save it. So this is also another way to access your book. If you click at ebook, it's going to take you right to the book. So this is your book. So it looks like that, and you can just scroll to the book. Okay. take a little while to log in. Okay, so this is the first page. Okay, I have to 50%. Come on. There's your book. Okay, so pretty much that's what I wanted to share with you. You have the book, you have the assignment here. Make sure you submit each question individually. It doesn't count against you if you submit the number 3. The attempts for number 3 are not going to affect the attempts for number 4. So each question, if you click in that specific area, so if I click inside here, submit answer for number 4 is going to show up. So make sure you submit each answer individually. So that concludes my introduction to this class and like overview, what you need to know. Use your resources, submit your assignments on time, and if you have questions or need help, don't hesitate to reach out and I'm available for you to help you. Have a great semester, and I believe you can do this. We're all in this together, so don't forget I'm here to help. Okay, good luck. Have a great semester.